Hi there, welcome back to Snow Guard Buyer's Guide by Snoblox. This is a series where we're overviewing the panel manufacturers of our industry and explaining which of our snow retention products are going to be compatible. Today we're taking a look at Classic Metal Roofing Systems and the two standing seam panels that they manufacture. Both of these seams are going to be compatible with all of our polycarbonate glue down guards. Some of the smaller options we offer are the IceJax 1, the Deuce, and if you're looking to break the snow and ice off in smaller chunks, we have the breaker as well in the glue down or 3M. Some of our larger options are going to include the IceJax 2, the Ace, and the Snojax 2, which will be compatible on both of these seams. Some things to keep in mind with both of these panels is you're never going to want to penetrate. You're only going to want to clamp on or glue down in between the high ribs. Also going to want to make sure if you're doing a polycarbonate system that you are choosing the right time of year to install those guards. Late spring, early summer is the best time to give you the longest curing time possible before the next winter. If you're debating between a polycarbonate or bar style system, one thing to keep in mind is your ground snow load. This will tell you how much snow you get on average per year. If you're above 45 pounds per square foot, you're going to want to move to a bar system at that point. If you are going with the bar system, it is a good idea to get a test fit clamp before installing the whole system. This will ensure the proper compatibility with your panel. It's also a good idea when looking at a bar system to include the optional ice stopper attachments. Ice stopper attachments are the only product that we offer where it is okay to do an isolated area throughout the bar system. We do offer free layouts on www.snojax.com under the resources tab and snow bar price quote and snow guard price quote. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about what we discussed today, please give us a call at 1-800-766-5291 or visit our website at www.snojax.com. Thank you and have a good rest of your day.